Welcome to the Xterity Video Tutorial Series Episode 3. In this episode, we're going to be discussing how to customize or modify an existing server that's in your environment. As you can see here, we have Cloud Console open. The first thing you want to do is locate the customer under the Customer section, expand that customer, expand environments, and locate the environment that you wish to modify. Now right-click on the environment name and select Edit in Wizard or Designer. Today we'll choose Designer. Once that window comes up, you should see a layout of your environment. Now you just need to locate the server that you wish to modify and double-click on the server. Here we can modify anything about the server, just like we did when we created the server. We have the same options. So why don't we change processing to 6 CPUs, and as we can see, our settings here for vCore and sockets were modified. So pay attention to changes so that you can make any adjustments necessary as you go through the process of modifying the server. In this case, we'll click Advanced, come down and set it back to 6 cores, 1 socket. And then we'll set the memory up to 8 gigs instead. Now, let's say we needed to add additional storage as well. So we click on Storage. Click on any of the options over here on the left and go right to that section. Now we can click Add. Let's select Tier 3, say 50 gig, and let's say E drive. And so now we've got 150 and 50, and as you'll see, it says built yes, built no. The first one was previously built, so it's sitting there already on the server. This one has not been built. That means it's a modification that was added. Once we're satisfied with any changes that we've made, we click Next, Finish down here, or Finish over here, and then we confirm that everything is correct. Notice there's a red message up here. Certain changes to the server will require the server to be rebooted. We changed the number of CPUs and the memory size. Therefore, we're going to have to shut down the server to make those changes, as we can't change the memory or CPU configuration for a server that's running. Some other changes, such as adding additional storage, increasing the size of storage, making some network changes, those types of things won't require a server shutdown. Do be aware though, if you're increasing the size of a specific disk or storage or drive above 2 terabytes, you will need to shut down the server first. That is a limitation of the backend software that we currently have. So once you're satisfied with the changes that you've made to the server, click Update Server. Now this will modify the server, and as you can see here, we've got a yellow triangle indicating this server has changes to be made. We can also see the changes in cost over here on the right, and if we look at video 2, we'll see that those changes that we've made have been reflected here. Once you're ready for any changes to be activated and you're satisfied with the environment, up here click Save and Build, confirm the changes. Notice that we are going to change from 4 to 6. We've readjusted the vCores per socket 6 to 8 gigs. Note that configuration changes to take effect, servers will be restarted or boot during the build process. So just pay attention to the messages here. They'll give you an overview of what's changing and any warnings. When you're satisfied, click OK, and this will submit the server in for it to be built, ready for you to go use it with the additional changes that you've requested. That's it for this video. Hope it was useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.